Our volunteers often ask how to edit individual student websites. These websites are hosted by Google under our padakshep.org domain. So that is Google Apps for Padakshep. So let's see how you edit the website. So as you can see, I'm already logged in via my padakshep.org account. So I'll start from the very beginning. So let's first type Subroto's website. You can also find this website from our main website, that is padakshep.org. If you go to the projects link, you can find all the links for individual student websites. So right under track our beneficiaries, you can see all the links here. So if you want to edit this website, you have to sign in first with your padakshep.org username and password. So scroll down all the way to the bottom, there is a button or link, sign in. Here you have to sign in with your Padakshep account. You have to type the whole username at padakshep.org because this is the Google Sites portal. Sign in. Now you can see the edit button here. This pencil icon is for the edit. So you have to put all the details of financial condition. If you have some pictures, you can post it here. There is the newspaper link where we got the original news, and there is some couple of words about his ambition, and the contact information here. Generally we don't put the students contact information on the main web front page because of some privacy issues, so we put it in under discussions page, and that is only visible by the volunteers and not by the general public. So if you go to the funding page, there's this spreadsheet which can be edited from this link. So if you click that link, you can open that spreadsheet and edit it as you want. Here you can see the details of the different types of expenses, the details here under this column, and the period of the expense, and the amount, and then the annual amount, and then the amount from July to September, October to December, and then January to March, and then April to June. You have to edit this spreadsheet very clearly, and so that everyone can understand the calculations. And now if you go back to this website and click on updates from Subroto, you can see, if you're already logged in, you will see this button, new post. You won't see this button if you're not logged in. You have to click on that new post button to insert your updates. So let's see what happens. Do not at this point, do not click on this edit button because you don't need to. If you edit from here, you can click on that edit button and edit here. You should not do that because that's not the way to do it. You have to click on the new post button to insert your post. First of all, put a suitable title. Although it's not showing up here clearly, but it will show up eventually. and here you put your updates as you want. And notice that it is more like blog, and people can comment or add files. So, and then when you are done with updating and including all the details, you have to save this page, because if you don't, the post won't show up. So you have to save this page. I'm not doing it right now. I'm just going back. And if you go to the next tab, that is updates from teachers, that is very similar to updates from Shubroto, and you have to click the new post button again. And anyone can also subscribe to these posts. On the next tab, there is the results. You can put the subject, the tutor's name, or the school exam, the marks that he obtained, and the performance as you think, if it is good or bad. You can do that accordingly. You just have to click the add item button and then select from here and edit, fill up these areas. And then let's see on the next tab, receive documents. So here we upload all the documents that we received from Shubroto. So you can click on view or download to access these files. To upload a new file, you have to click on just this add file button here and then upload the file. Next is the discussions tab. This tab is only visible to the volunteers and not to the general public. So you can put the contact information or any other sensitive information here. And then if you click the next tab, that will take you to Padakshep UK website. That is this website. So this is how you edit individual student websites. And after you update and edit this website, you should always inform benmancom@googlegroups.com so that everyone knows about your updates.